Hello everyone. In this video, I'll talk about the mid upper arm circumferences, that is MUAC measuring tapes. So what is mid upper arm circumferences, MUAC tapes? And basically it is being available through the UNICEF in all the divisions, and it is used to measure the upper arm circumferences of the children. Previously it was only for the children, but now it is being extended to the adults also, also to the pregnant woman, and it is a very important tool, very simple tool which is easily available, and it helps to identify the status of the malnutrition. So what is MUAC tapes and how it looks like? You can see in the picture, it is a tape which is available into the color coded form, and it is graduated and graded into the millimeters, and it is also in centimeters. So like you can see, it is available in color coded. So it is available in, currently it is available in red color. It is marked as red color, and in between it is yellow, and the later part is known as the green color. So this color coded is not yet, it has been decided, and it is confirmed that this universally this color has to be followed. But in usually the tapes which is available, it is available in this color coded, but in some countries you can see there is a no color coded tapes is there. And this tape is a very simple tool, as I said, and it is used to indicate the nutritional status of the child as well as the adults and the pregnant woman. So as per different age groups, as I said, it was previously for the children's, but now it is for all the age groups for adults and pregnant women. So different tapes are available of different sizes as per the categories. Like infant between the 6 to 59 months of age, 26 centimeter tape is available, and children between 10 to 15 years of age, 45 centimeter measuring tape is available, and for adults and the pregnant woman, 56 centimeters tapes is available, measuring tapes is available. So in which age group you wanted to take, you need to take a particular measuring tape as per the age which has been categorized, and as per the categorized age groups, the particular centimeter of measuring tape you need to take to measure the mid upper arm circumference. So what values which suggest the child nutrition status? So if the reading comes, so whether it is child into the good nutrition status or into the severe acute malnutrition status. So see, these are the some values which shows that if a child reading is comes below the 11.5 centimeters, so it is considered as a severe malnutrition. So below the 11.5 centimeter, it is marked into the red color zone. So it is very easy to identify and understand also that child is in the severe malnutrition status. If the reading comes between 11.5 to 12.5 centimeter, it means that there is a risk of malnutrition. Child is now it is in the borderline state for entering to the severe malnutrition status. And even though the child is in the green color reading like 12.5 to 13.5 centimeter, but still it indicates, and it's said to be that the child is at the risk of acute malnutrition state. And if the child is belongs to all these three stages, like below 11.5 to 13.5, nutrition status, immediate nutrition status need to be looked for, and a good nutritional focus and rehabilitation programs and rehabilitation diets need to be focused on to bring to the child to the good nutrition status. And if the child is more than 13.5 centimeter, it indicates that the child it is in the good adequate nutritional status. So these are the different readings which shows that the nutritional status of our children's and infants. For the pregnant woman, if it is less than 24 centimeter, it means that there is the acute malnutrition state. Now, this is the reading which has been also given by the UNICEF into the measurements like millimeters. So, as per the age group, which I told that into the different classifications, we can see the different tapes are there and different categories, different age groups categories are there. The children 6 to 59 months, children between 5 to 9 years, and children between 10 to 14 years, adolescent 15 to 17 years, and adults, and pregnant women who are at the 6 month, less than 6 month of antenatal period, and postpartum women. So these are the readings which can be easily follow. As I told that the color coded has not yet decided by the UNICEF, so it has been divided, it is as per the millimeter range. So severe acute malnutrition SAM, moderate acute malnutrition MAM, and normal nutrition status. So it is very easy to understand if the reading comes into the particular area, like if you see the pregnant woman a row, if it is coming between 190 to 230 it means that the pregnant woman or the postpartum woman is in the moderate acute malnutrition stage. So immediate the intervention need to be started to rehabilitate into the a normal nutritional status of the women. So like this in each age groups, whatever the reading is coming, we need to take immediate interventions, and immediate plan of actions need to be planned to bring the mother or the child or the infant into the good nutritional status. Now, how to measure the mid-arm circumferences with the MUAC tapes. So first, what we need to do, if we are taking a measurement either into the children's or adults in the pregnant women, first what we need to do, we need to bend the left arm. It has only been taken from the left arm, and we need to bend the left arm into the 90 degree. Like in the picture you can see, the second picture you can see, we need to locate the 2 points. The first point is acromion process, and the next point, the second point, is the oscillon process, which is known as the elbow joint. So the midpoint of these two joints is, you need to mark it out. Like in the fourth picture we can see, either with the pen or the finger you need to mark, because this is from this marking we need to measure the circumference. So like in the first picture we can see, straighten the arm and wrap the tab around the arm at the midpoint, and from this you can easily measures the circumferences, because placing the tube through the window we can easily able to see the which reading it is coming. So while tying and wrapping around the arm, you need to also see that it should not be too tight and it should not be too close. So once the reading comes, it need to be measures into the documentation paper. So whatever the reading it is coming from the window, that has to be measures either in the centimeter or either into the millimeters. So this was about the mid upper arm circumferences measurement with the measuring tapes, which has been available through the UNICEF. And this is one of the graph which shows that how we can plot the readings. And with this graph, it can be easily identified whether the child into the good nutrition status or into the poor nutritional status, and what intervention need to be take. So like as I said in the graph, we can see arm circumferences which is very increasingly rapidly increased during the first year of life, and the arm circumferences which is same into the first to fifth year birthday of a child, of first to 5 years of a child, under 5 children is what we can say. So with the conclusion, I would like to say that it is available into the different color coded. It should to use into the clinical practice while assessing the child, while calculating the nutritional status of the child. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can write on the chat box.